Hi friends, and welcome to another teckwrapcraft video. My name is Arlene from This Is My House, and today we're going to be working with teckwrapcraft holographic vinyl. We are going to make a tumbler, so stay tuned. You will need teckwrapcraft holographic vinyl. You will need a wooden pin. You will need a scraper. Usually teckwrapcraft vinyls come with a protective sheet, so you have to remove that one before you cut your vinyl. Make sure you remove it. So let's get to work. Okay, I made my design on Canva, and now I am going to upload it to Cricut Design Space. Once we have our image on the canvas, we are going to adjust the size, and then we are going to hit make it in order to cut the vinyl. If you're not sure on which specific settings to use in your machine, then you can visit teckwrapcraft.com, and there they have all the settings you should use for each material and for each machine. I'm going to use teckwrapcraft matte, and the specific setting I'm going to use to cut this holographic vinyl is holographic vinyl on my Cricut Maker. I have found that teckwrapcraft holographic vinyl is very easy to read, but I had to change the settings I was using before. Now I use the settings they suggest on their website, which are holographic vinyl, and it's so much easier that way. a little bit of a struggle there, but it's because of the surface. I have worked on these tumblers before, and usually it's hard to stick the vinyl on the silicone. What I do after I add my vinyl on the tumbler, I use dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and that holds that vinyl on the tumbler. So if that is something that you would like to try, it really works. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can save this video for future reference. You can give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, and don't forget to visit teckwrapcraft.com. This was Arlene from This Is My House. I hope you have a great day. Bye.